the tree. Ooh, that hole big. That nigga finna grab his ass. Fuck that shit. That nigga grabbed his bitch. Whoa. That nigga threw his ass. He back over there. Bruh. No, don't slang him. He going right back in there. This nigga, boy, you brave in a bit. Where he at? Bruh, take him out on the street somewhere and let his ass. Man, don't bring that bitch by me. Ooh, that's a big old bitch. Ooh, shit. Hell no. And take his ass down the street, cuz. Hey, way down that alley. Cause he keep coming right there. Damn, that nigga be eating fat and good.
Probably pregnant.
Pregnant?
Probably.
Shit, take his ass way down there. Boy, you a hero for real. You got it.